Hello, scientist Miss Stacy is back. Today we are going to be making red or blue or yellow, whatever color you want, volcanoes. Does anybody know where a volcano comes from? So you can find really big volcanoes in Hawaii, which I would love to be right now. So what you're gonna need for this experiment, if you wanna try it at home, is vinegar, white vinegar, food coloring, liquid kind, and baking soda, a glass, and then just a clear casserole dish. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do in our experiment, remember, have your children help you. We're gonna use our measuring spoon. This says 1 tea. That means 1 tablespoon. For this experiment, we need 2. Can everyone say 1, 2? Here we go. Can you help me measure? So we're gonna measure our baking soda. Okay. So everybody can help do this. You pour it in the spoon and we do 1. We need 1 more. Okay, 1 more. Okay, 2. Now, I'm gonna make a blue volcano today because I've always wanted to see a blue volcano. So before we do that, we're gonna measure our vinegar in our measuring cup. We need 1/2 cup. So you find the 1 and the 2, 1/2 cup of vinegar. So we're gonna pour that in. Remember, let your children help you pour, girls and boys. We're gonna pour it together. Great job, now we have our 1/2. So put that down. The reason we measured that first is because you have to pour it in quickly. Now we're gonna take our blue food coloring and we're gonna count 6 drops. Can everybody help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you're gonna quickly pour in your vinegar. My goodness, wow, it's a blue volcano. Isn't that amazing? Try it at home.